everyone, Denise again, tilesporcelain.co.uk. Another one of the tiles that we've got in our massive clearance sale at the minute. $14.97 a square metre plus VAT, brings it to $17.98 including VAT. Absolute stunning tile. Where would you put this type of tile? You could put this as a feature. You could make this into like a by two or whatever, depending on the splashback size in your kitchen. If you've got creams and browns in your kitchen. Porcelain tile, 10mm thick. Very, very durable. Can withstand any heavy traffic. Can be used anywhere. Floors, walls. You can still put a 60-60 size tile on your wall. Only comes in 60-60. Get in quick. Once it's gone, it's gone. It's not coming back. $14.97 plus VAT. Absolute bargain. We can deliver UK. We can deliver all over the UK. We get a delivery within 1 to 3 working days. www.tilesporcelain.co.uk 0191 429 0279, and our sales team are happy to assist in any purchases, any inquiries. While I'm on, also we sell all the adhesive, we sell all the grout, we sell all the materials, primer, anything you need for a project, get it all delivered. One-stop shop, tilesporcelain.co.uk.